Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I wanted to do a quick video, story time if you will, on why I prefer to use YouTube audio library music for my YouTube videos. So a few days ago, I was looking through my content analytics and noticed that I had a copyright strike on 3 videos in which I use the same song. And of course, I was mortified that I had done something wrong. The song was free to use and I credited the artist as was required. So upon further investigation, it turns out the copyright claim is from some entity other than the original artist. Apparently, they decided it was good to take free-to-use music, slap some vocals on it, claim the song solely as their own, and distribute it on every possible streaming service. Oh, the nerve. Anyway, my options with the copyright claim were to trim out the segment of the video using the song, replace the song altogether, mute the song, or dispute the claim with YouTube. So I decided before I do any of that, because I would rather not edit my video or argue with YouTube over the claim, I would go directly to the source of the claim. So I emailed the claimant and let them know that the original instrumental song which I use is free to use and to kindly remove their claim. It's only been a day or so I'll give them some more time to respond. Of course, I also contacted the original artist to let him know what was happening with his music, and I hope he's now aware of the issue. I'm going to give it a few more days, and then if I haven't heard anything or it is not resolved by the claimant, I'll probably just do one of the suggested edits. I just wanted to encourage anyone creating content for YouTube to just save yourself some time and aggravation by using music from YouTube Audio Library. In YouTube Audio Library, which you'll find under YouTube Studio, there are many music tracks to choose from, and you can filter your search by track, title, genre, mood, artist name, duration, and whether attribution or credit is required or not required. When you click on the license type, it will give you basic information. When you click View Details, it gives more information on what is permitted and what is not. For music where attribution is required, on the license type, you'll see the little CC logo for what is known as Creative Commons. And it gives you basic information on how you're allowed to use a track. When you click View Details, it gives further information. So there you have it, guys. I hope you found this quick video helpful. If so, please like and share, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.